Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good. That's really great. Yes, I'm also super duper good. So, welcome to your fourth lesson of social studies in week number 24. Okay. So, in today's class, we will be revising the whole that we have done in this week. We will revise all the topics one by one. So, let's start with from where we started on Monday. Okay. So in this week, basically, we talked about how can we keep ourselves healthy and fit. It was related to that, isn't it? Okay, great. Now, how can we keep ourselves healthy and fit? It is basically related to the good food that we eat. And then we also first we started with what does good health mean. So good health means that keeping yourself healthy and fit, both physically and mentally, right? Then we also learned about that how we can keep ourselves healthy. So for that we made a beautiful food chart for us, right? Then after that we also discussed about that what are the things, what is the whole nutrient food diet that we should take. So in that we included all types of things. After that, then we have a discussion on importance of keeping yourself healthy and healthy food. So that in that discussion we discussed that let's say if somebody is having a good diet, what would be the benefits he will get from that, right? Similarly, if one is not taking a diet, then what can be the losses that he can face right now and in later time as well. Now, in today's class, we will revise all of that. So let's start with what does healthy food means, or what does good health mean, let's say. So good health mean keeping yourself healthy, keeping yourself fit, both in physical and mental form. Now, beside physical, as I have stresses this a lot, that beside your physical health, your mental health is also very important, because the major portion of your work that you do on your day is done with your brain, with your mentality, right? So your mental health matters a lot. You are physically fit, but your mind is not working properly, so you cannot do a lot of work. So, and every food whatever you take, it contributes to both your physical and mental health, right? So we have made a food chart, in that we included all types of nutrients, which are proteins, carbohydrates, fat. So your body needs everything. For that you are supposed to eat all types of fruits, all types of vegetables, meat, butter, egg, right? Because everything is important. And I told you this before as well, that let's say you do take a diet, but that diet includes only fruits. So this does not mean that you are taking a proper diet, right? Similarly, let's say you are taking a diet in which includes only vegetables, but you do not like to eat fruits and you avoid them completely. So this does not mean that you are taking a good diet. Your diet should be a combination of all of things. It should have fruits, it should have vegetables, it should have buttermilk, all types of dairy products, it should have meat, it should have chicken, right? All types of thing. It should have dry fruits as well. And then to have a good taste, to keep yourself active in that, you can have some fast food or junk food as well, like once in a month or like that. Okay. So now on the very first day we talked about the fruits and vegetables. So the picture which is right in front of you on the screen, it is basically representing a good healthy diet. How it is good and healthy, because it it gives you a lot of energy. It has all the lovely and delicious fruits and vegetables in it. Now, what you are supposed to do is that we will separate them according to the seasons. Can you tell me that what are the fruits and vegetables that we have in summer season? We have cucumbers, okay. We have mangoes. We have lemons, yes. We have peaches, right? Tomatoes are available in all types of season. Okay, we have carrots in winter season. If we talk about the special fruit that we have in winter, we have oranges, right? Then what else? Turnip is also available in winter. right? Okay. Cucumbers are, yes, they are available, but they are frozen. Okay. So they are basically summer seasons. Okay. What else? All types of green vegetables, they are available in winter season. If you talk about the fruits, we have the strawberries in, in spring season, before summer and after winter, in the mid season. And similarly, we have cherries as well. Well, cherries are also available in summer as well, right? Okay. Then, so all of these are, we have separate them according to their season. Now, like we discussed about summer and winter, all other seasons like spring, autumn, they also have some fruits and vegetables. Not special fruits, but yes, vegetables are there, right? Like pomegranate, you can also find them in winter season. Then we have oranges, they are in winter season. Well, bananas are available in all types of season. Then if we talk about grapes, grapes are available in summer season, not in winter. Then peaches are available in now. Okay, okay, if we talk about nowadays, we have almost all types of fruits and all types of vegetables available, but they are not fresh, they are frozen, right? So what we are supposed to do is, that prefer to eat those vegetables and fruits which are seasonal, because they are fresh at that time. Others, they are stored frozen, so you should not prefer that. Yes, you can have them sometimes for the taste, but do not rely more on that. Rely more on the seasonal thing. Like, nowadays, mango is like the king of summer, right? So you can have a lot of mangoes as much as you can, because you will not be having mangoes in winter. Similarly, in the oranges are available in winter, you cannot have them in summer. So you can have oranges as much as you want in the winters, right? So prefer the seasonal fruits. Do not prefer to store them or freeze them for to have them for later purposes. With the benefit that they give you in the fresh form is, you cannot get that in the frozen form. Okay. Okay. Now let's move forward. I'll be showing the picture of you of some animals, and you are supposed to tell me that what do we get from it. Okay. The very first picture, what is this? First, tell me the name of this. It's a chicken. Okay. What do we get from a chicken? Eggs. Excellent. What else? The meat as well. Wonderful. Okay. Is there anything else? Meat and eggs. These are the two things that we get from chickens. And then we can make a lot of bundles of products from eggs and the meat as well, right? Okay. The next animal is, okay, what about this? What do we get from this? It's a goat. We get milk from it, meat as well. Anything else? We get leather from it as well, not? Yes, we do, right? And from this leather, we made a lot of products that can be bags, that can be shoes, that can be anything, right? So a lot of things are being made from the, yes, okay. So similarly, like this, there are other farm animals from which we get a lot of things. Like we get wool from sheep, right? Similarly, the cows, they also give us milk, they also give us meat, and we also get the leather from them as well. And then from that, we can make a lot of products can be prepared. There are a lot of products which are being made from milk as well. There are a lot of products which are being made from the meat as well, right? Okay. Now, what is your class activity? You are supposed to write, you are supposed to make a complementary chart for you. In that, you are supposed to decrease the amount of junk food or fast food that you were previously taken, but now you have to decrease their amount. And instead of that, you are supposed to add some delicious and healthy food for yourself. Beside that, make a list of animals from that are a benefit for us that we keep as farm animals, and then you are supposed to mention that what do we get from that. Let's say, like we have discussed two in the class, chicken and goat, right? There are a lot of other animals as well, farm animals from whom we get a lot of things. So you are supposed to make a list of it and then mention what do we get from that. Hurry up, take out your notebooks and then start writing. Let me know when you are done. Yes, everybody is working. Okay, great. Is there any confusion? Okay. Okay, so all of you are done. That was all for today. We have revised the whole unit as well. Now, inshallah, in tomorrow's class, you will be having a weekly assessment. You're almost prepared for it, but do revise the things again at your home and let me know if you have anything which is troubling you. We will resolve it together. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.